Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 24th of January. And first of all, national news. 6 Indians to be part of French military's Republic Day marching contingent. French President Emmanuel Macron will be the chief guest at the Republic Day celebrations. Tamil Nadu to start IPL-like matches to revolutionize Jallikattu festival. Netaji's life contributions are inspiration for young Indians, PM Modi. India betting on Africa's rise, S. Jaishankar in Nigeria. Bharat Ratna awardee Karpuri Thakur was Nitish Kumar, Lalu Yadav's mentor. Traffic movement in central Delhi hit due to Republic Day parade dress rehearsal. Now some international news. Will bury politics of revenge, hatred. Bilawal Bhutto ahead of Pak polls. Pak general elections will be held on February 8. And Pak court restored Imran Khan's bail in 7 cases related to May 9 violence. DNA from 10,000-year-old chewing gum revealed Stone Age secrets. 245,000 Holocaust survivors alive after 80 years since World War II, a study said. Trump re-election would mean unpredictability for Canada, Justin Trudeau. Now some sports news. Karun Nayyar returned to country championship after going on hold in IPL auction. Srimati Mandhana Dipti Sharma recognized as Best International Cricketer in Women's category at BCCI Awards. 2 Indian spinners feature in ICC Men's Test Team of the Year. South Africa vs England Under 19 World Cup highlights. England won by 36 runs. India's Roshi Bina Devi Noiram won Wushu Senda Athlete of the Year. Business related news. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the Union Budget on February 1. India's first ever budget was presented on April 7, 1860. After India's independence, the first budget was presented on November 26, 1947. And that's all in news. Thank you.